Gotta work it out a little bit.
So funny.
This would have happened anyway. They were this fucking cracked. Time was gonna do this.
I mean, you got another set, so why not just destroy these to see if you can make clear ones?
Yeah.
Because clear is the ultimate goal.
Clear's the ultimate goal. I joined the dark side by getting the tinted.
I mean, they're already cracked.
Yeah, like these are fucked up. No one would pay for these. Pay for clears. Show them the clear.
Yeah, fucking ceiling light tile. That's gonna be the panel.
Oh.
Oh, chunk.
I think
That was a good square.
Yeah. Chocolate chunk? Woo! Dude, this is gonna be dirty.
Could this be some like ASMR shit? Like you see people cutting up the soaps and like
I'm sure the neighbors love this.
At what time is it? Like 10 in the morning?
At least I got Andy out of bed before I started doing this shit. He would have been pissed. Good progress now.
A square. Oh!
I feel like I should be wearing some safety glasses.
Yeah.
This I'm gonna have to break too, but I might be able to still take it out in a second.
Just gotta get the main lens off first.
Good. Dude, like, do I break that all the way? I don't really.
I think you should, cause
I don't really want to, but I think that's how it's gonna have to go.
How clean did it come off here? Oh, this whole like black
Yeah.
trim piece is gonna have to come up. Yeah, cause that's under it.
Like, this is a part of the lens. I really didn't want to break that part.
I say you break that off so then you can have a better sealing
Yeah.
surface. Ooh.
If we get the Dremel tool and just like even it out and shit, it'd be good. Oh, this whole thing.
Oh, big piece.
Nice. Somebody had to do it.
Ooh.
Right, this part.
Oh, big piece.
Kind of broke it loose. Break the pliers out and the
Do
wedge.
the ball end of the hammer. Oh, the whole thing.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, I don't need it.
This guy's low. He's got some
Already
scrapes.
seeing the scrapes. This is what we like to see right here. Yes!
It's like fragments.
Shit. So we're gonna have to like pull back this black trim around it, I think.
It's broken in some spots already. I'm not the most worried about that right now. I wanted to get it all cleaned up today.
Yeah.
They're already tough.
The side markers, are you gonna do anything about these? These are like more blatantly red than everything else.
I mean, yeah, it looks
Yeah, it looks like it's a different piece. Taking out the orange?
Why would I not? Clear taillights.
That's true. I don't know if you're gonna do the clear over this and just leave these or not.
I was definitely taking these out.
So then ignore my question about that then.
Yeah.
Oh, get the ball side.
This shit's like a different material. It's not as brittle. I might have to
not
pop it
cracked
out.
already. Oh yeah, you might have to.
This dude really thought I was gonna clear some fucking taillights and leave these in here, bro.
Hey, I was a little bit confused.
Don't put the blame on me.
Look at this, bitch.
Dude, the orange is just coming straight up. Look at that.
Fucking just break that shit. Hold on, dude. I
Just manhanded.
I definitely can, but it might break more shit.
You know what you need to do, brother? Avarice Customs over here. Oh, that's out.
Ah.
And the side marker's out with that.
Ah. No, this
Heck
could
of
be
that
hella
was
easy.
Yeah.
But now do you see why I want to leave the...
Are you gonna leave the white one?
I'm
that's
leaving the
up
white,
here?
yeah.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, shit. Now that's all from the brake.
Yeah. This
Stuff.
all you should get like just chrome paint. Fucking paint the inside.
I mean, it already
all
was.
white.
It already was good, but the brake cleaner probably fucked it up. This is supposed to be like smooth, like this all the way through. It's supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
But I fucked it up. But then we could just paint it.
Yeah. We tried to undye this with fucking brake fluid, and that's why it's kind of turned white. But it kind of failed. There was a small crack on the lens, and when we had just had the brake fluid sitting on the lens, it cracked, just spider web through the whole thing.
I think I'm gonna leave this black outline. I'm gonna Dremel it out to the black outline. Even though it's missing like right here, that's the only spot where it's missing.
I mean, underneath that is just the sealing surface where it should be sealing, so it's not like... Jesus Christ, you're throwing chunks.
Working faster than the Dremel would work.
Probably is better to use Axe or plastic right behind it. Jesus Christ.
Annoying to try to break it with this other shit behind it. It's gonna take me a lot of time.
Just gonna edit like all snapping together. Please explain what you're doing real quick.
Aluminum.
Getting the color out of the way.
I got an aluminum windshield. Oh yeah.
Close up. This hurts.
I don't like doing this. This is scary.
Jesus Christ.
Dude,
Holy shit.
everywhere. You gotta step back. I got the prescription sunnies on.
I got nothing on right now.
That hit,
Oh my
that hit me in
god.
the chest.
Let's get the close-up shots.
Oh, well, let me get around the keyhole. Making some SC people mad.
Oh, you're gonna get
This was
some
a
cries.
decent taillight. There was like one crack in it.
That's okay.
Wah, wah, wah. Oh,
Look at that.
that's all one piece more. Look at that.
This whole little piece just came off.
I got like this bottom edge pretty good. You're not gonna have to Dremel much.
That whole edge is pretty clean. You're just gonna have to get that.
Yeah, you did that.
I'm like scared to do this because of Pete.
Gotta get it with the air gun. Get some stuff out of the way. I am dusted, bro. Dirty. Out here on the POV camera. So I wanted to show you what this is gonna turn out like with the clear lens on it. Looks pretty decent. Got most of everything worked out of it. Just use black silicone and it should hide pretty much most of that stuff, so yeah.
Very likely. Oh, sorry. Where's a successful day of skidding?
Forgot to film it, but Gentry got it. Probably got a overheated clutch from doing my shit, or I'm slipping, which shouldn't make sense because the clutch is 1.5 years old or over a year old.
If it keeps having that burning smell, we bleed it. If it keeps having that burning smell, we go from there.
Yeah.
Came out with some battle scars, man.
Still looks epic. Blew the bumper off, but like it was just 90s style and it just flew off completely intact.